it has a lifetime warranty. So I'm going to open up the box. And this is how it looks. It comes with a nice size 2 bowls, nice and deep. Stainless steel is sturdy. It has a stand, adjustable heights for small, medium, large dogs. And these are the legs. They're steel, not plastic. It has 2 designs. One here, a little doggy holding a bone. And on the other side, it has dog prints. Or it could be cat paws, whatever. 10 to 10.5 inches. If your dog is a big dog. My dog is a smaller dog, so I'm inserting it this way. And all you do is press down. And it'll snap in place. There you go. Included is 6 non-skid pads. Can get ahead and get placed on the bottom to stop it from sliding on a towel or maybe the carpet. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 at each end. 1, 2, 3. This is adjusted to about 8 inches.
Go on, puppy, go eat.
If you want more information about the adjustable elevated dog bowls, look in my description below this video. And there is also a link if you would like to purchase or find more information about it. Awesome dog bowls.